Mr. Dominic, good afternoon. Hope all is well. Hope all is going good with you. I saw that you wanted to cancel the session today. I understand if you needed a break. Definitely don't want you to feel pressured, but I'm always going to be available at any given moment that you need. But definitely when you come back, I wanted to discuss possibly switching topics. I know when we come in, we talk about how you're doing academically, and I know you're doing great. I know you're excelling at everything you can. But I could tell that you get a little disinterested, bored, and you don't want to necessarily talk about professional things because being a student is something professional. So I wanted to at least discuss something else. I wanted to do things or at least discuss matters that pique your interest just so I can even get a greater feel of what you may want to do and maybe we can get towards that. And we can have just fun banter. If that sounds good with you. One thing that I caught wind of is that you are a fan, big fan of K-pop. Maybe something like BTS, which I know you're a big fan. Heard you went to a few concerts. I'm happy to hear. I'm glad that you enjoy yourself at these concerts. I guess as someone that's not fully into K-pop, I heard of it before. I don't know if Psy counts when he had his little run. If that's is that your first introduction? But mainly, what got you into K-pop? K-pop. I know BTS is the first time I've heard something in that realm, and I noticed that it's very much worldly. There's multiple genres in it. I hear songs that have like a popish feel, R&B-ish feel, hip hop, even like Caribbean with reggae music and all of that. Is that something that interests you as well? What is I guess your favorite song? Is it a BTS song or is it someone like Blackpink or many of these other K-pop acts? EXO, like what song would if you had to create a playlist of K-pop songs? What would be like your top 3 to 5? Just a small list. If you wanted to give someone a sampler of what music that they should listen to. And I guess lastly, are you interested in learning more? Do you want to possibly do something as like career wise in the K-pop field? Is career on your to go places as you grow up just to visit? 'Cause I know it's a very beautiful culture and so much influence around the world and it's influx of things. Or is it just something that you like to have fun and leisure? But yeah, just let me know. And again, next time let's just talk about some more fun stuff. Let's talk about fun banter. We don't gotta keep it just academics. All right. Hope you take care. And if anything, I'll see you soon. Peace.